everybody. I am Vinet from Siquance. I'm the CEO and co-founder. And actually at Siquance, we are really wanting to shape a better digital future and by using our universal quantum computing solutions. And well, I think I'm going to skip the intro because I'm the fifth one. So we know that there is a lot of value creation, and we have seen a couple of examples, but the value creation is really big. So now let's face the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is that we haven't spoken about the hardware. There is currently no hardware to enable the potential of quantum computing. We are building a whole industry, but as we just said, to grasp this potential, quantum correction at one point will be needed to build perfect logical qubits out of the real physical qubits that do not fulfill at all the requirements to implement the algorithms to grasp the whole potential. We need, if we look by the numbers now, we need at least 100,000 qubits if we want to be able to implement full fault tolerance. And this is our mission. This is what Siquance proposes. We propose to provide a computing solutions that massively serves the industry. And we want to enable the full promises of quantum computing thanks to millions of qubits. And what we sell is just quantum accelerators. We address the high performance computing market and the players. So we can either sell via the cloud or on-premises machines, and currently at this stage, it doesn't change the hardware fabrication. Really, there are prototypes, but to address the whole market, we need to design machines that are impactful, that have above 100,000 qubits. We also want, if we want to address the whole market, to have machines that are optimized, practical. And this is really what we propose. This is in this lower right corner that we want to deliver our product. And we do that, you've got a hint. We do that to address this market. What we do, I brought a prototype. This prototype is a 2-qubit chip. The quantum chip is here, and when there's going to be millions of qubits, it's going to pretty much look alike. And what it allows us to have this kind of chip is that we can increase the performance, and right from the start, we engage with the customers and we deliver products with a seamless performance increase. We go from generation and generation, and we just change the mother card. And in the willingness to establish long-term relationship with customers. How do we do that? This is and by doing that, now we can talk about the 30 billion market for hardware suppliers. The technology we use is the one that builds current high-performance quantum computers. This is really, we leverage the semiconductor industry potential because we know right from the start that this technology can scale to billions of identical objects. There is no question regarding the scale-up. We also know, and there is no scientific question on that, we know that this technology is able to design 1 and 2 qubit gates. And these 1 and 2 qubit gates, when you look at their figures of merit for scaling, they fulfill the expectations. The qubits are small, and that's the reason why that's what supports the business model. We're not going to change our hardware in the long run. They are above 99.9% in terms of fidelity, so they can implement quantum error correction. And last but not least, the speed of operation is within the microsecond range for all operations, which allows to implement the billions of operations that are mandatory to reach to serve the industry, and we stay within reasonable computation time. Last but not least, we have seen a couple of examples. Controlling the qubits, implementing the algorithms is not straightforward. And what we can do is that we can use the technology, and in the same technology, we can have the control electronics, and thus we're able to design quantum integrated circuits to implement complex algorithms. So now, just as a company, where do we stand? So we're coming from more than 15 years of technological research from CNRS and CEA in France. We've spent 30 million R&D since 2019, and we were the first team in the world to demonstrate that we can use actual semiconductor industry technology to build qubits. We were funded in end of last year, and currently we're already 9 employees. And we've secured joint labs with CNRS and CEA. We've got a portfolio of 40 patents, and we're currently looking for 12 million private equity. We're 3 co-founders, and we've got 3 legs. We've got a market and business and marketing leg with François. Tristan is a quantum engineering, and I come from the semiconductor industry, and I've done technology transfer, development and transfer since 20 years. And we've hired a great team of people coming from technology and quantum physics world. And all together, we have built an ecosystem that was a very resilient, supporting ecosystem. We have secured the supply chain and partnered with suppliers to make sure that our roadmap to co-develop and define our roadmaps. And we also have established strong relationship with the research ecosystem because, let's face it, we still have open research questions. And while we're increasing the maturity and going towards full fault tolerance, we need research support. So to summarize, end of last year, faster than I wanted. End of last year, we've launched a European player, which really aims at becoming a worldwide player. It's time. It's a good timing because the early prototypes, they definitely have created an appetite for hardware solutions. So there's a need, and we have assembled a large team, a large ecosystem to fulfill the expectations.